Tired of just holding your crypto, watching it sit there, and waiting for the price to go up? What if you could put it to work and earn passive income? That's exactly what staking is all about, and Kraken makes it incredibly easy. Staking is a way to earn rewards by participating in a proof-of-stake blockchain. You are essentially helping to secure the network, and in return, you get paid. And Kraken, being one of the most secure and trusted exchanges, offers a seamless way to get started. So, let's dive into how you can stake your crypto on Kraken in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need a verified Kraken account with some crypto you want to stake. Kraken offers staking for a number of popular coins, like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, with varying annual reward percentages. Once you're logged in, head over to the Earn tab in the navigation menu. From there, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies available for staking. Select the one you want to stake. This will bring up a window with more details, including the estimated reward rate and any lockup periods. Some assets offer flexible staking, which means you can unstake at any time, while others have a bonded term where your funds are locked for a specific period for a higher yield. Choose your preferred option, enter the amount of crypto you want to stake, and click Stake. That's it. Your funds are now working for you, and you'll start earning rewards. You can track your staked assets and rewards from your portfolio. Now, a quick word on unstaking. If you chose a flexible option, you can unstake your crypto at any time by going back to the Earn tab, finding your staked asset, and clicking Unstake. For bonded assets, you'll have to wait until the lockup period is over. Remember to always do your own research and understand the risks, as the value of your staked asset can fluctuate with the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.